Hello, welcome to Mad for Mondays. Today I want to talk about kindness. You know, kindness does really start with ourselves, and you're probably all laughing thinking, yeah, Kath, you don't do enough things for yourself. But you know, each day, whether it's getting out in the fresh air, putting my feet in the grass, I'm lucky enough to be in this beautiful hotel right now in India that has a bath, which means every day, every night before bed, I'm going to run that nice hot bath because it feels fabulous. And I think when we pay kindness to ourselves, we actually fill our cup up, and then we feel like being able to help so many more people. And sometimes kindness is just a smile. So, you know, I always sign off going, wishing you a million smiles. And it's because when we pay that forward, we're actually paying forward a million amounts of kindness to other people as well. Sometimes a smile can change your day, which means it changes someone else's too. So this week, if you're feeling a little bit blue at different times, I'd love you to look at someone and give them that smile and just imagine that you are changing lives every time you smile. Speak soon. Bye.